iAuto software installation tutorial. Open the browser. Enter the website www.uonatech.com. Scroll the rightmost scroll bar to the bottom of the page. Click Download Software or User Manual. Scroll down the page. Find the download for the iAuto series. Select according to the operating system type. Mine is a Windows computer. Wait for a while. Open the folder where the downloaded file is located. Unzip the file. Open the folder. Double-click the exe file to install. Select the last English language. Wait for the installation to finish. Open the software. Log into the account and connect the machine.